Hello, hello, hello. The other day we did our first baseball pack opening. Now we're going to do our first basketball card pack opening. This is the 2017-2018 season. Panini brand. Let's get into it. Maybe I'm hoping for a game used, an auto. Obviously, that's what you always hope for. Really, nowadays, those are the only cards that are really worth anything. Are the autos and the game used cards. Alright. Very shiny. Kyrie Irving. Devin Booker. Danilo. God. Yeah, that guy. DeMar Carroll. Willie Cauley-Stein, Justin Nerf, Seth Curry, there you go, there's one that's easy to pronounce, DeAndre Jordan, Paul Millsap, Chris Paul, Dennis Schroeder, Tim Hardaway Jr., D'Angelo Russell, Ike. Yeah. What does that say? Rookie credentials. Wesley Iwundu. Then we got factions. Damian Lillard, C.J. McCollum, and Jusuf Nurkic. A Donovan Mitchell rookie card. Oh, there you go. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. A Ivan Rabb rookie card. Don't even know who that is. DJ Wilson rookie card. And a Wesley Iwundu rookie card. But, so yeah, I guess really the only thing that we got that could be worth anything is the Donovan Mitchell rookie card. It's in nice condition. It's a good card. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hunting.